Hello there, I hope all of you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show what is my imitation jewelry collection, Indian imitation jewelry collection, and I'm going to declutter them and I'm going to organize them better. My god, it's kind of late, guys. So if you guys don't mind, let's get straight to the video. Actually guys, I got myself these two new organizer. This is like a very like a velvet kind of compartment over here. Actually I wanted to put my Indian earrings, which are like bigger ones. You see it's like big and long. I wanted to put into this organizer box, but unfortunately it is quite small. So I need to put like a small earrings over here, and I was hoping to get another box like this, the organizer. This actually comes in a two tier. So I thought I would take every set of necklace and earring that I have, put it in a bigger compartment over here, and then put the earring over here. But the earring part is like quite small, so you can just literally fit something that is as small as this, if my camera can focus. So it's a little bit failure, so I don't have a good organization box or anything to put away my jewelries, but I'm going to just declutter whichever that is like, you know, missing a earring or like already battered. So I will show you guys that. But this organization, like a little bit failure, I guess, because it doesn't serve the purpose. But I will find something that is like so small that still can fit into this, but I don't know how successful we can be with that. So I don't know whether I've shown you guys this like a rattan kind of container. I bought this from Cambodia for my trip over there. Then they were selling some teas in this container, so the teas are all gone, but I still use them to store the pins, the bobby pins, the safety pins, everything. But as you guys can see, it's empty because I've taken out everything and then I never put it back. So this is what I'm going to do now, and this is like the simplest organizer, and it's quite handy and it looks very aesthetically pleasing as well. Holds the random bits that I've been chucking into a box, which I need to clear up now. Like, my god, this is just like the 10% of what we are going to do today. Okay, so I've already like segregated whatever that was in the box. Now I'm going to tackle one item. Is this is all the bindi or potu collection that I have. Actually guys, I wanted to store this in like a, book album, like an album where you can insert all the items. So I thought what I can do is I can take it off and then I can insert them. I can insert them in the book album and make it like one book, the book of bindi. So I wanted to get that, but unfortunately I haven't got that. But if within this video, whenever I want to upload this, if I can get it, if I already organize it, I will also try to insert here to show you guys actually what I'm talking, if it makes sense. And then I have a few like Indian traditional headpiece. So I'm going to temporarily put in this Sephora box. I used to put everything over here as well, but I don't know how come now I got in a different box. So I'm going to put inside this, make sure that I get everything in this one box. Then most of the headpiece that I got here is actually from India when I went to India trip. So I don't know whether over here they have anything like this or not. Yeah, honestly guys, I don't think this is like a 1 hour 2 hour job that can be settled. This is all the sets that I have. So I think I'm going to leave them as it is, but I'm going to like properly put them because they look very terrible right now. But also in this box there's some random bits which I need to segregate as well. And this is all my ankle stuff. This is what I wore for my wedding, and then I'm going to put everything together over here that I got during like last year or 2 years ago Christmas haul from Sephora. So I kept all my bangles over here, which is very messy right now. This is a big one that I need to tackle now. Already so sweaty guys over here, so I've segregated according to color, and then I have some like a thread kind of a bangle over here which I need to consider whether I want to have it or not, because I think they are quite small for me already. And my battery is dying guys, so yeah, so I will try to do everything, and then I will film the after scene. If I ever come to you guys and say in any of my video that I don't have certain bangle in certain design in certain color, I want literally you guys to come after me and plot a death, because at this point I don't think so I need any more bangles in my lifetime. Seriously guys. So I have actually segregated over here the bling bling type, and then this one is all the plain type. Over there it's mostly like the thread bangles which are certainly in a good condition, so I want to ask my girls back home whether they are interested to have them or not. But certain there are damages, and certain it's like really like very out of style, so that one is like a discard, and this is going to be my collection. So whenever I want to choose, and after I choose my outfit, I will take some of the grand one and then I will layer with this simple one. I think for bangle part we are done. And this one is also, I got it like way years back in a carnival. I think they should be selling this in any recent carnivals, so you guys can get this very useful. So guys, I used this organizer to put all the small beads, the small earrings, and then this one, as I told you guys, the sets, but here I still have a lot to go. I can still put a lot of tiny ones, but the main purpose is to put the bigger earrings like I'm showing you right now. So I'm putting it back to what it used to be, but I just parried them properly, but yeah, so I'm going to find more organizer to put them properly, like designated compartment for them. I want them to look like this, not like this, because I know how it's going to end up when I start to use them back. So I'm going to get something for this, and if you guys already own something that like what I'm looking for, please also let me know in the comment down below so that I can buy myself. And then this part I have already put in this box so that it looks more organized. And also again for this part, this is all like sets, but I like clearly cannot put inside over here, so I put it back like this, but I kept it like to their sets. So yeah guys, so if I'm going to do any more improvement on this organization in this few days time, if I have any update, I will update you guys. If I don't have any update, so I want to sign off with you guys right now, since if I don't have any update, I better say bye now. And I will show you guys how am I going to put back to their storage area my vanity. I will show you, I will insert that clip, but thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you get some info and you felt this video might be triggering you to do some declutter as well. Yeah guys, so thank you for watching. I hope you will give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. Sorry for not showing my face. Maybe when I do the storage in the vanity area, you might see my face again. Yeah, so it's getting too late right now guys, so I have to take a bath. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.